Hello, I'm about to make biscuits, a 2-ingredient biscuit. Now I may have a video already on making these biscuits, however, this one is for those of you that may have missed that one. Let's get started. I have 1 cup of self-rising flour. And I have a cup of heavy cream. Heavy whipping cream. Just gonna put it in the center. Make a little well. Gonna do a little bit, about half, and then gonna get the rest in. I'm just kind of like going around the sides, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour it all in. It's incorporating nicely as I do it. Let's see if you can see it. Just kind of like go around the sides and bring it all together. Pretty easy so far, huh? Yeah, it's pretty easy. It's coming together pretty good. You see. Getting it together, as you can see. Me some flour. Sprinkle a little bit on the top. And we're going to put some on our board. See how our dough came together? Perfectly. Get this out. We're not going to want to play with it too much. That was quite enough. Get this together. That's all I want to do. Just fold it 4 or 5 times. Or so. I'm just going to pat it out with my hands. You don't want to pat it too flat because you want your biscuits to be somewhat thick. I'm going to use my little rolling pin. That's pretty good there so far. I have my cutter and my pan. Let's cut them out. Oh, sorry. Just want to make sure you can see me. Get them on there. Gonna do it again. You don't have to have a rolling pin either. I'm just using it because I want to. But you can just pat it out with your hands like so. Like that there. Cut. We're going to do this until we can't get any more. 6 so far. Oh, we got about an 8 out of this. That's 7 and a little one. How about that? I'm going into the oven on 450. Let's try 12 minutes. Set your timer. That's been like 12 minutes. How beautiful are they? So I like mine with honey butter. So I've melted about a couple of tablespoons of butter. And I have some honey. I'm going to add some honey into this butter. Yeah. Let's get this together. You're going to mix this well. Make sure you mix the honey and butter well if you choose to do it. So, that's good too. Bring you over here. Come a little closer. There you go. Let's just paint a couple of these. Open it up. Very nice and hot. Oh, took it off. I'm just gonna eat this side right here. That's good. That's good. I kind of like mine to cool though. Like I like my cake to cool. I don't like hot cake and stuff that I bake. I like it to cool. So you can get the full flavor then. For me, look at me making a mess. Being a little bit greedy. That's good. See how easy that was? Only takes a few minutes. Go in the kitchen and make you some biscuits. And thanks for watching. Remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Those are smoking hot. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so very much. Share with friends and family. And comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Woo. I love you. You. I really do. Later. Later, later, later. Make you some biscuits. About to eat on this one. With some more honey. It's really gotten thick now. It's thickened up some. See how thick that's gotten? Yep.